welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna play the game that I promised to play. You'll see it now on screen. What is Ice Cream Free? Play. Let's play in normal. Remove ads. Remove. What? Okay, I don't matter. Okay. No, not TikTok. I hate TikTok. I hate TikTok. No. Not TikTok. No. No way. Okay. Okay, let's play. I know the story. Okay. That's gonna be so hard. I never played. Yes, that's a girl. It looks like a boy. Charlie. Okay, look. A video game. That's one for pineapple. It's a pineapple. Marks. Okay. Where's the slingshot? We don't need it. Just open these. Okay, it doesn't let me. Where's the main key? I don't remember that. Oh, the thing I like. This is my room. It's not that room. It's this room, I guess. Complaints. See if it knows me. So right. What? Oh. Uosis Pro. Done. No, not that. What is it? Oh, let me. Okay, that's it. I'm stuck. Okay, what happened? I just got stuck.